Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you a story about honesty. The title of the story is Honesty is the Best Policy. Let's start. A milkman became very wealthy through dishonest means. He had to cross a river daily to reach the city where his customers lived. He mixed the water of the river generously with the milk that he sold for a good profit. One day, he went around collecting the dues in order to celebrate the wedding of his son. With the large amount he collected, he purchased plenty of rich clothes and glittering gold ornaments. But while crossing the river, the boat capsized, and all his costly purchases were swallowed by the river. The milk vendor was speechless with grief. At that time he heard a voice that came from the river. "Do not weep. What you have lost is only the illicit gains you earned through cheating your customers." Moral of the story: honest dealings are always supreme. Money earned by wrong methods will never remain forever.